continue listening to these research-based meditations, please subscribe to Calm Clouds Meditations and hit the bell for notifications for new videos posted every Tuesday. Calm Clouds Meditations uses only the best practices when researching and developing these videos for your enjoyment. This guided meditation is designed to help you with your weight loss program. The purpose is to make you aware of the connection between your mind and body. This meditation will help you challenge your limiting beliefs regarding your weight and body image and raise your standard on what you desire for your mind and body. Calm Clouds Meditation suggests that you listen to this meditation for 30 days to achieve maximum results. This guided meditation provides self-hypnosis techniques so that your mind and body can work together to achieve your weight loss goals. Once you have settled yourself and are comfortable, you may close your eyes. Allow yourself to relax. Become aware of your breathing. Take deep and full breaths. Allow healing air to enter through your nose. Expel your breath through your mouth. And again, breathe in cool, clean air through your nose. And exhale warm air through your mouth. One more time. And now continue breathing as you begin to find yourself more and more relaxed. Now you will begin to scan your body for any tension. Imagine a warm yellow light entering your body from the top of your head. The light travels to all parts of your head. You can feel its warm light relaxing all parts of your head, even the crease between your eyebrows. Now allow the light to travel down your neck and torso. The light feels so wonderful, and it helps you release all your tension. Now the warm yellow light is traveling to your legs and arms, releasing all the tension that you may feel there. The beautiful, strong yellow light glows as you release more and more tension and relax. Check for any more areas of tension. You may send the light to those areas and kindly ask these areas to relax. As you become more relaxed, you may find that you notice sounds in your environment. These sounds are actually helping you to feel more relaxed. Listening to the sound of my voice will also make you more relaxed. You may notice that you will have thoughts that come to mind. You may want to imagine these thoughts as words in little bubbles, and allow them to drift away into the calm clouds above you. Every time you realize you have a thought, you can just let them pass through your mind. There is no wrong or right to these thoughts. They are just little bubbles in your mind. And relax. And Imagine, if you will, that you are in a beautiful library. Notice the beautiful wood shelves and all the books on the shelves. This is the most beautiful library you have ever seen. It has a beautiful wooden desk in the middle of it that has ornate wood carvings on it. There is also a beautiful fireplace with a warm fire glowing. Makes you feel peaceful and safe. As you look around more, you realize this is a very special room. You begin to look at the books. They are beautiful. As you look at the titles of these books, you realize they are all named about experiences you have had in your life. Take some time to browse if you would like. One book catches your eye. Its title says, "My Body." You start to browse through it. You feel no judgment towards it. It's simply a recollection of experiences that have allowed your body to increase to the size that you do not desire. You feel no judgment towards this book. It's part of who you are, and you understand you have the power to change the outcome of this book. You move towards the beautiful fire with the book in hand. You feel the warmth of the fire on your body, and you can see the warm glow of the fire on your body. You open the book, and you gently begin tearing the pages out and putting the pages in the fire. As you do this, you notice there is a staircase in the back of the room. You continue tearing all of the pages out of the book. When you are finished, you turn your attention to the staircase. There is the number 10 on the wall, and you realize that you are on the 10th floor. You begin to descend down the staircase slowly. Notice your breathing and relax. You reach the 9th floor and you feel relaxed. Every time you hear me say the word relax, you easily get rid of all tension. You reach the 8th floor. Relax. Your body and mind are simply more and more. You reach the 7th floor, and you are more relaxed with every step. 6th floor. Every breath is making you more relaxed. 5th floor. Very relaxed. 4th floor. It feels so good to relax more and more. 3rd floor. The closer you get to the 1st floor, the more relaxed you feel. 2nd floor. Your wonderful subconscious mind begins to become open to allow only wonderful positive suggestions of change. 1st floor. Your subconscious mind and your conscious mind are now in partnership with each other. Your subconscious mind and your conscious mind are working for your highest good, so that you will have the perfect body you deserve. As you get to the 1st floor, you realize that you are in a beautiful place in nature. There are birds singing, and there is some water nearby, As you explore this wonderful place, you realize that your body feels lighter and you can move around easily. You see a mirror in the middle of this beautiful place and head towards the mirror. Your reflection is beautiful. You are truly at your desired weight. You move freely and easily because your weight is truly what your body craves. Your mind and subconscious mind are now working together to ensure that you achieve and maintain this ideal weight. Every day you wake up relaxed and happy. You are no longer being controlled by food. Food no longer controls you. You're taking back a part of your life that has been out of control. Food no longer controls you. You are now in control over the food that you decide to eat. You feel content making food choices in your highest good. You no longer have insatiable food cravings. You crave food that is good for you and you alone. Food no longer controls you. You desire only to eat enough to sustain yourself and feel nourished. Food no longer controls you. From this moment on, all of your old eating habits are in the past, burned in the pages of the book. Food no longer controls you. From this moment on, you make positive food choices for yourself. You enjoy all foods in moderation that help you to achieve your goal weight. You are in control of your food. Each and every day, you create new positive eating habits to achieve your goal weight. You are in control of your food. You are in control of your food. Your motivation and determination to reach your goal weight grows stronger and stronger every day. In a moment, you will repeat that affirmation mentally to yourself. You do not have to say the affirmation out loud. When you do repeat the affirmation, it will become stronger and stronger. It will also become more real for you. So let's begin with the positive affirmation. Each day, my motivation and determination to reach my goal weight grows stronger and stronger. Repeat the affirmation to yourself. And again. Each day, my motivation and determination to reach my goal weight grows stronger and stronger. And again. Each day, my motivation and determination to reach my goal weight grows stronger and stronger. And again. Each day, my motivation and determination to reach my goal weight grows stronger and stronger. And this is so true for you now. As you repeat this affirmation to yourself, you notice how relaxed you really are. You realize how strong you really are to achieve your weight loss goal. You are relaxed. It's now time to become aware once again of your breathing. Notice the deep breaths that you are taking. Breathing in cool air through your nostrils and warm air out through your mouth, slowly and calmly. Now notice your body. Notice how calm your body feels. When you're ready, you can slowly open your eyes. Begin to move your body around. Stretch if you need. You remember the peaceful words and the peaceful meditation that you just experienced. You are energized to continue with your day. Your motivation and determination to reach your goal weight grows stronger every day.